On the Downloads page, select Windows as your operating system. After installing Grafana, open a web browser and go to this address. You will then see the Grafana login screen. Use the credentials on the screen for first-time login. When you log in for the first time, Grafana will ask you to update the default password for security. It's strongly advised to do this right away. Once you update the password, you should be redirected to the Grafana homepage. Now the real fun begins. Connect Grafana to your databases, monitoring systems such as Prometheus or InfluxDB, or cloud services. Then, create visualizations with different panels to extract insights from your data. Prometheus requires an exporter to gather Windows system metrics. Download and install the Prometheus Windows exporter using the default settings. Open this address in your browser to view all the exported metrics. Now, let's set up a Prometheus instance, which can be on a different machine or even on Windows, to scrape metrics from your Windows exporter. In the Prometheus section on the download page, locate the most recent stable release for Windows. After downloading, right-click the .zip file and choose Extract All. Select a suitable location to extract the contents. In your extracted Prometheus folder, you'll find prometheus.yml, the main configuration file. Open prometheus.yml using a text editor. Add Windows as a job name. Open a command prompt or PowerShell window with administrator privileges. Then, navigate to your Prometheus server directory. Start Prometheus by running the executable. You should see log entries showing that Prometheus is starting up and collecting data from targets. Open your web browser and navigate to this address. The Prometheus UI should appear. In Grafana's left menu, hover over the connections and select Data Sources. Click the Add Data Source button. On the Add Data Source page, enter Prometheus in the search bar or scroll down to locate it in the list of time series databases. Enter the URL where your Prometheus server can be reached. If it's running on the same machine, use this URL. Click the Save Test button at the bottom. You should see a message such as Data Sources working or successfully queried the Prometheus API, indicating that Grafana is able to communicate with your Prometheus instance. Let's create a dashboard to visualize certain Windows metrics collected by Prometheus. To import a Windows Grafana dashboard, navigate to Dashboards, New, then Import. Enter Dashboard ID 14694, a well-known Windows Server dashboard, and click Load. Wait a few moments for the data to load into the Grafana dashboard. Within minutes, you'll see visualizations for CPU load, bandwidth, hard disk usage, and more.